Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I've found lives the 99. Kumusta mga katupa? Isang panibagong video na naman ang inyong nakikita. So in this video mga katupa, I'm gonna teach you how to play the guitar, the song Reckless Love by Cory Asbury. I don't know if my pronunciation is right. Cory Asbury. Anyway, so this song is requested by some of you. So hindi ko na patatagalin pa mga katupa yung video nito. Medyo nahihirapan na rin akong mag-English. So the chords that we are going to use is in the key of G major, but we will use a capo in the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. So the original key of the song is in the key of F sharp. If you want to use that key, that original key, you can put a capo in the 4th fret. Then the chord or the family chords that you will be using is the key of D major. But in this tutorial, we will only use the key of G, then capo on the 3rd fret. Then the key that we are now using is in the key of A sharp. G, G sharp, A sharp. Then again, mga katupa, kung mataas, itong key para sa inyo, you can adjust. If you think that this key is lower, you can make it higher. And it's up to you. So, nahirapan ako mag-English, pambihira. The chords, mga katupa, yung ating gagamitin sa buong kanta, meron tayong G major, E minor or E minor 7. We will also use the C add 9. And last one, we will use the D major. So, we have only 4 chords. So, ito naman mga katupa yung ating strumming pattern. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. So, yung down, up sa dulo, yun lagi ang ating pag-switch sa another chord. So, ito naman mga katupa yung ating chords ng intro. So, para i-apply natin yung ating strumming pattern, then, i-guide ko rin kayo sa pagpasok ng ating verse. So, we have 3 chords sa ating intro. Una, meron tayong E minor, 7. Meron din tayong D, and then C. 2 times natin gagawin yung chords na yan para sa ating intro. Okay, let us apply our strumming pattern sa ating intro. So, stop muna tayo dyan mga katupa. So, napansin nyo dyan, sa E minor 7, D is a half strumming. Then, going to C, a whole strumming pattern. Jump to D, C, whole strumming. Stay dyan. Then, again, last one. Pasok tayo ng verse. I spoke a word, you were singing over me. You have been so, so good to me. So, stop muna tayo dyan mga katupa. So, ayan, dyan sa may ating verse, the same yung kanyang pattern sa ginawa nating intro. The same dun sa second part na before I took a breath. The same pa rin yung kanyang pattern sa ginawa natin sa first part. So, let us sing. Me. Before I took a breath, you breathed your life to me. Same. You have been so, so kind to me. Then, dyan sa may C, pagkatapos ng sa may kind to me, nandun pa lang tayo sa may C. Pagka down doon sa may C, yung last part na down, yung last down, papasok na tayo doon ng chorus. So before tayo mag-proceed sa ating chorus mga katupa, pwede mo bang i-like yung video na to? So please hit the like button. So thank you. So yung chords natin mga katupa sa chorus, the same doon sa may intro tsaka sa may verse, but dinagdagan natin siya ng isang chord. Yun na yung G. So kanina, 3 lang, ngayon 4 na. dadagdagan natin ng G. So, ganito yung mga katupa. Makikita nyo, pansinin nyo din yung kanyang measure na ating gagawin. So, mag-end tayo dun sa may so kind to me. You have been so, so kind to me. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I found lives the 99. So, stop muna tayo. So, kung mapapansin nyo mga katupa, yung kanyang strumming ay half strumming pattern, each chord. Then, continue tayo dun sa may I couldn't earn it. The 99, I couldn't earn it, I don't deserve it, still you give yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. So, napansin nyo, half strumming lahat hanggang sa matapos yung ating chorus. Then, kung mapansin nyo rin mga katupa, yung kanyang chords ay hindi nagbago. E minor, D, C, G. All over the chorus part, yun ang kanyang chords. Hindi siya nagkaroon ng pagbabago. Then, pag-end natin to sa may chorus, sa may G, half strumming lang siya. Then, proceed to instrumental. So, ang instrumental natin ay dun sa ating ginawang intro. The same pa rin. So, dalawang beses din gagawin yung ating instrumental. So, it looks like this. The overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Then, E minor, 7, D, C, stay. Isa pa. Then, back to verse 2 na. So, the same pa rin yung chords. The same pattern, walang magbabago dun sa verse 1, verse 2, the same pattern and chords. So, let us assume, mga katupad, na natapos na natin yung ating verse 2, then chorus, para hindi tayo matagalan sa ating video. Then, pupunta naman tayo ng bridge. Ganito naman yung pagpasok natin sa may bridge. So, pagkatapos din mismo ng chorus, gagawin din natin yung kanyang interlude. So, yung interlude niya, the same pa rin doon sa may instrumental natin or intro na chords. Then, good news mga katupa, dahil yung chords ng ating bridge ay the same pa rin sa may chorus. So, napakadali talaga ng kantang ito. So, ganito, papasok tayo ng bridge. Never-ending, reckless love of God. Instrumental or interlude. Once again. Bridge. The shadow you will light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming up to me. No, you want kick down, no, you want tear down, coming up to me. Once again. No, you will light up, climb up, coming up to me. One more time. Kick down, tear down, coming up to me. Oh, the oh. So, pagkatapos dyan sa my bridge, hindi na kumplituhin dun sa my G, dun sa my after me. Then, proceed sa chorus. So, this time mga katupa, magkakaroon tayo ng play along part. But before we start, kung gusto mo na maabangan yung mga susunod kong tutorials kagaya nito, pinutin mo lang yung subscribe button na nasa baba at yung bell notification, tsaka yung all, para siguradong updated ka sa mga bagong videos na in-upload ko. And then, sa mga gusto mapanood yung lahat ng mga ginawan ko na ng tutorials, pwede nyo pindutin yung nandito sa taas. Nandyan lahat ng ginawan ko na ng tutorials, panoorin nyo lang dyan. So, start tayo mga katupa sa ating play along. But since ito ay international song, English, so there will be a possibility na magkaroon tayo ng copyright claim. So, what I'm going to do is hindi ko siya kakantahin ng buo, dire-diretso. So, i-guide ko na lang kayo kung saang part na tayo ng lyrics yung ating tinutugtog sa gitara. So, let's start in 3, 2, 1. More time. Before I spoke a word, you have been You have before I took you have been chorus the over chases I couldn't oh reckless of God instrumental one more time verse 2 same pattern you have been repeat you have been so kind to me and chorus only overwhelming never being reckless God it chases I couldn't yourself away instrumental one more time bridge light up kick down one more time light up love of God, oh, it chases me. I couldn't oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Instrumental before mag-end. So yun lang naman mga katupa. I hope that you are blessed with the song. So it's time to shout out. Shout out sa'yo GR Kaay. Shout out sa'yo Reynan Rabo. Shout out sa'yo Javen Santos. Shout out din sa'yo John Jersky JRE from Zamboanga City. Shout out din sa'yo Kevin Ramirez. At shout out din sa'yo Roseanne Lacson. So sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout dyan, mag-comment lang kayo sa baba. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood mga katupa. God bless you and all the glory belongs to God.